Hello, this is Brian with Travel and More, and today we are in Dana Point, Capistrano Beach, California, in the southern end of Orange County, and we're at the Riviera Beach and Shores Resort. And here we're just looking at the bedroom right now. This is a one-bedroom suite. This is going to be on the Riviera Beach side of the resort, and this is a Phase 1 room. Now, as you can see, nice king-size bed. The bed wasn't the most comfortable, and the room was a little noisy, but you like having that sink in there. That was handy. Coming around now, here's the bathroom. Nice, good, nice big-sized tub. Your toilet, vanity. And then here we go out into the main room. So here in the main room, there's a couch and a chair. That couch does pull out into a bed. A table to eat at. Here's a small kitchen area. There is a coffee maker in the room, toaster, and various things like that. But you saw the TV there a moment ago. But here we go. Another view of the room there, looking back towards the kitchen. There's that coffee maker next to the fridge. There's also a microwave and a stovetop. But you gotta go outside. And when you go outside, these views are amazing. Outside you'll find a table and a gas grill, of all things. Now I will say we got a little bit of noise through that Arcadia glass door, but it's well worth it. And there's those chairs, but you just can't beat the views here, especially on a clear day. Just looking over there to Donny Beach. Now, it is alongside an old stretch of the Pacific Coast Highway, but there's not as much traffic on it. There is also a rail line there, but there's no crossings nearby, so you don't hear whistles. Just a nice rumble of the train. We'll go back into the room now. But yes, nice room, very comfortable. We enjoyed staying here. We stayed here for a couple nights, and it was fantastic. Even had some friends stay on that pull-out couch. So there you go. So if you've ever stayed here, you know that there's different areas of the resort. So once again, this room was a one-bedroom suite that's in stage 1, basically. So it's an older section of the resort. So there's like an open parking garage down below it. The amenities here are fantastic, though. But overall, nice spacious room. Very comfortable. It's definitely become one of our more favorite resorts to go to. So we highly recommend it. But some of the amenities here are fantastic. One of them being they have 2 pools on site. They also have bikes available to rent. So we rode these bikes all around Dana Point, all the way to Dana Point Harbor. We had a blast, riding up and down through different parks, along the beach. It was a great time to ride. Thankfully it wasn't too warm outside, so we really could actually enjoy ourselves. But who wouldn't want to just take a ride next to the ocean? And it was cloudy and overcast the entire time we were there, unfortunately. But Dana Point's just a real nice place. It's not as busy as other parts of California. It's nice to visit. This is the beach right in front of the resort itself. I could sit and listen to those waves all day long on that patio area, those balconies. It's a little rough in some spots there. But here you'll see one of the many trains, and there's commuter trains and also an Amtrak surfliner that goes by the resort. They're usually small. A couple times a day there'll be like a longer freight train, but Like I said, there's no crossings nearby, so you only just hear a low rumble. That's a great Mexican food restaurant there. And here's some of the front of the resort. And here's where the bikes are. You can go into that door right there and check them out right down the stairs where they have a little convenience store. So you can get keys. And now, for the pros and cons. For pros, the Riviera Beach and Shores Resort has amazing views. You gotta love the barbecue right there on the balcony. It's not in a really busy area of Orange County at all. There's restaurants within walking distance. It's about an hour to San Diego or into the center of Los Angeles. There's great amenities on site, like the free bike rentals. However, for cons, the walls seemed a little thin in the bedroom. You will hear some noise through that Arcadia glass door. And I have to admit, the whole interchange there with I-5, California 1, and Pacific Coast Highway was a little confusing. Took me a few times to get it right. Other than that, this has become one of my favorite resorts to visit, and I hope to be back in the near future. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content, and as always, stay traveling, my